Hi there everybody, just a quick video here to show you how to replace the front wiper blades. This is a Ford S-Max, this is a 2009 and basically I'm using this Bosch front wiper blades Aero Twin A120S. So I've already replaced the driver's side one there, and we have the passenger side one here. Now basically it's just a matter of pressing on that and pulling the blade out. Now I'm doing this with one hand, so I just need to be careful not to drop this on the windscreen, because if it drops it might hit it and crack it, so just be aware of that. So you get your new wiper blade and you're going to push it. Get your new wiper blade and you're going to push it in there. Like so. And that's it. So obviously same procedure for the driver's side, and that's it. So hope this video helps, and thanks for watching.